Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you're installing your Windows and it says Windows can't be installed on this drive. And when you click on show details, it says Windows cannot install to this disk. This computer's hardware may not support booting to this disk. Ensure the disk controller is enabled in the computer's BIOS menu. So how you can fix your problem? Let's get started. First, on the same screen, press Shift plus F10 or Shift plus Fn plus F10. It will open command prompt. There you have to type disk part, hit enter, then type list disk, hit enter. After that it will list your disk. Just select your hard drive on which you want to install your Windows. For my case it is disk 0, so I will type select disk 0 and now just type clean and then type convert mbr and then type exit. After that you'll be brought back to this screen. Just click on refresh and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.